Stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how I got the Haunted Mansion safety spiel on my CarPlay every time the truck starts. I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut on your iPhone so when you start CarPlay, you can play a tune, you can play a song, or you can have just about anything start up that you've already got loaded onto your phone. So for this first part, you want to find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. I don't know every phone that this will work with, but I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro for this. So once you click on Shortcuts, you're going to go down here to the bottom and you're going to find Automation. You're going to click Automation, and then you want a new automation if you don't already have one here on the phone. So now you're going to scroll through this to find CarPlay. So if you look, you'll be able to find that in this section right here where it says CarPlay. So you're asking it to, when CarPlay connects, and you want to say when it connects, you're going to run immediately. I choose not to have a notification when it runs, so just leave that where it is. Then you're going to hit Next. Now you're saying when CarPlay connects, what do you want it to do? Right here you can say play music. They also have that feature down in here where you can go to say music right here. You could go play music. And now you have this section here. And what you want to do is you want to click on music, and this is where you can pick the song that you've already got loaded, that you've already edited, maybe even the sound effect that you've already got on your phone. So here on Songs, you could click and all of this music would be available. Keep in mind, if you're wanting to do like I did for my truck when it starts up, something under 30 seconds is really good. So I'm using one I called the Haunted Mansion Opening. So you would click that. And now it says when CarPlay connects, it's going to play the Haunted Mansion Opening. And you want to hit Done. And now that is saved into your automations. If you follow the instructions like I showed you, you'll notice whenever CarPlay connects here, I'll get the Haunted Mansion safety spiel as I've recorded that on my phone.
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times.
If you follow the instruction I showed you on how to make a shortcut and how to do animations on your iPhone, it should work every time you start your vehicle and CarPlay from your phone connects to the radio. If it doesn't work, I'll do everything I can to help you out, but I won't be able to do a whole lot of IT troubleshooting over YouTube. But please comment below and I'll do everything I can to help you out. There's definitely more complex ways to connect this, where you can have multiple playlists or you can have multiple songs cycle through every time that you start your vehicle. I'll go through those in a later video. If you're interested, just please reach out to me. Also, if you don't know how to cut music or you don't have any apps or know how to do that, you can reach out to me and maybe I'll do a longer, more in-depth video on programs that you could use to cut the music down to the sizes you would like to use. For me, about 30 seconds is a good window. If you do it any longer than that, it's going to play a whole song. You can certainly do that. You can have your vehicle crank up to one whole song if you'd like to, and then, or you can make it open up to Pandora. You can do all these other little things that I didn't cover in this video. If you're interested for more content like that, I'll certainly produce more depending on how many comments I get below on this video. Hopefully this information was useful or helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe and share, and that's to the point.